weather so far. It's 61 degrees out and it feels like 85 here in Sandpoint. So we're going for a little cruise. So kids are with Brady, going for a bike ride. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Well, Brady just took off again for the last opener of July. And it is just amazingly beautiful out today. So nice that we don't need a sweater or a long sleeve. We are looking for mossberries, and there's some blueberries here as well, but the blueberries are not ready yet. There's some blueberry bushes right here too, and look at that. They're not ready, but there's definitely some blueberries, some green ones out here. It's all over. See some boats out there traveling to the fishing grounds. Brady left about 3 hours ago. And look at that view. Well, we are out here at the pier, at the city dock over here, and I see all the tenders out here. They're just waiting for the word, and then they'll go out to wherever the fishermen are and get their fish and bring it back here to process. So I'm taking the kids out for a little walk. It's so nice out, nice and sunny. 8:30 p.m. right now, and it feels like it's 1 p.m. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna have daylight for another 4 hours, so it's still early for us. What a magnificent day. Wow.
Last opener of July for salmon. Yeah, look at this sunset. Of course, there's the Alaska Peninsula back there. Kind of hard to tell, but snow on the mountains, glaciers. And our cheerleaders are still there. Sow and triplets, so maybe we'll give them some fish tomorrow. The whole whole sky is lit up right now. It's just amazing. Beautiful. And we got some company. There's Nicole Down over there. Really good fisherman. He had good teachers. Now he's doing it on his own. Hung one of our nets up. Oh, are you okay, Eden? Careful, careful, yeah, don't trip on the net. This is where we fix the nets and the kids are playing around, of course. The kids come to work with Dad today and they like to play in the tunnel because we hang our nets over a pipe so that we can mend it. There goes Eden. I see you. Yeah. We found some baby ducks. Stay out of the road, you guys. Where'd they go? There they are, baby ducks. Aw, I'll help you. When they play in the mud, I make them ride in the back. Ivan's all muddy. Hey, climb in there.
The harbor is full. There's all the seiners out here on this wall. All the big boats that can catch hundreds and thousands of pounds of fish, salmon. And we are on the east wall here waiting for Brady. It's the first day of August and they are getting ready to go fishing on the mainland again. And August is a little bit different. Everybody's getting ready. Loading up the boat now. Kids are gonna go for a little boat ride back to the skiff with Dad, and I'll meet them over there with the car. We're all set for today. Bye, Ivan. See you. Bye, Eden. Nice full harbor right now. By tomorrow afternoon, this place is going to be empty. Fishing starts the day after tomorrow, but everybody's going to leave tomorrow to head to the fishing ground. So, this place will be empty. Nice and full right now. Everyone's here. Here comes Brady. Here they come.